But I feel very, very you're not social distancing.
Social distancing.
Are we safe?
Well, we can guarantee you absolute safety to the extent that the intervention is
Honorable Robert Kegulanyi Sentamu, Senior Scores number 027 2020 versus the Attorney General Martin Okoto Chola, Wislenga Nganizi, Haj Baraza Sulaiman, Fred Ahimbisiwe, Lieutenant George Mwonda, and Kato Arafa.
Please, Your Worship, my name is Medad Lubega Segona. I appear for the applicant together with my learned friends, Mr. Anthony Wameli and Mr. Ronald Mafari.
Who is Ronald?
For the respondents, I do not know which ones, but Mr. Peter Masaba, Miss Senyonjo Madina. I want to assume that they represent all the respondents. And Madina Senyonjo appear for the respondents.
We have the applicant in court.
So the applicant is in court. The respondents are all defiantly absent. This matter was, Worship, fixed.
Beg your pardon?
The matter was fixed for now, for hearing. An affidavit of service sworn by Mr. Njoroge Githinji Martin was filed in this court on 18th August indicating service onto the respondents together. Actually, there are two affidavits. Filed in this court on 18th August.
Answer, I see one. I see the one of Wandu Joffrey.
No, there's another one, the worship filed on court record. In the event that it cannot be traced, I would gratefully submit this one after my submission. And it attaches the notes of motion received by the respective respondents. On 13th August, service was effected, and 14th August, service was effected on to all respondents who have not filed their respective replies if they intend to oppose the application.
I see affidavits in reply in court record.
I am not privileged to access any.
If they were filed less than an hour ago,
In the event
counsel for the respondent, you have not served your colleagues.
Your Worship, we haven't served the counsel for the applicant simply because this matter was brought on short notice. And some of the respondents are not resident in Bari. Given the rules of pleading, we have 15 days to respond to the particular pleading which have not lapsed. So we are still within time to file replies to this application and serve the applicant.
I see affidavits in reply for the respondent, says for the second respondent. If you have them, can you now serve the counsel now that you know them and they are here? Counsel Masawa, you have the affidavits?
Yes, Your Honor. We do have that.
So let the applicant's counsel be served with the affidavits in reply. You have done so.
Yes, Your Honor, the 8th of May service, seat of service.
We are confirming whether we have all that. We have all, I'm told, apart from the second respondent, Martin Kototola, and we do not know whether he intends to file or not. And I do not even know whether he has instructed counsel, and therefore whether they speak for him. And if not, we would apply to proceed ex parte as against him. Maybe we would have that clarified.
Yes, counsel, you may. Do you have instructions to represent the second respondent?
Your Honor, we have full instructions to represent all the respondents. And I would request counsel for the applicant to serve us with that affidavit of service as proof of service so that we can tell whether all the respondents were served. Because to the best of our knowledge, none of them were served. So we humbly pray for an affidavit of service.
Well, Your Worship, whereas I do not have problems giving him a copy of the affidavit of service, I don't know for how long my brother has practiced law. But I know for a fact that by the time somebody gives you instruction to appear, he has been served.
Didn't it mean so, Councilor Masaba?
Pardon?
If you have been instructed by the second respondent,
Well,
doesn't it mean that he's aware of this case?
being aware and being served are two different things. When we're talking about service,
You're saying he has not been
this has got
served.
nothing to do with my years of practice. It is prudent that he serves us with an affidavit of service, unless he doesn't have one. But if he has one, it is prudent that he gives us that affidavit, because after affidavits in reply dispute service on some of the respondents.
Well, to avoid wasting more time, since there is proof of service, unfortunately I'm now being asked to submit my copy to court. My brother may access the same from court record. Now, dispute on service can only be again by affidavit, not evidence from the bar. I submit very strongly that instructions.
Just a minute, Council. Was the second respondent served?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Worship, paragraph 4
Yes.
of the affidavit of service states that on 14th August 2020, I proceeded with the same to the second respondent's offices. Inspector General of Police offices located at the police headquarters in Naguru, Kampala, where I met the OR to whom I introduced myself and purpose of my visit, handed over copies of the same, and he acknowledged receipt, endorsed a copy as hereto attached. So there was service on the gentleman. That is how he instructed, I believe, able counsel, Mr. Basava, to represent him. It pays to be honest to courts where you are practicing as an officer. If my brother has any reason for not having filed a reply, I think the best practice is to indicate his intention to file one. But since he has not indicated his intention to file one, we may take it and submit that the Inspector General of Police is not interested in defending this matter. And subject to your resolution of that particular issue, we shall make our submission. Otherwise, we pray that you order the proceedings ex parte against Mr. Martin Okoth Ochola, IG.
Your Worship, in brief response to the Council's prayer, I humbly submit that evidence by way of notes of motion is by way of an affidavit, and the wealth of precedents have laid out that with or without an affidavit, it does not deny the party audience in court. The second respondent does not have an affidavit on record, he still has audience by way of points of law in this
Do you
application.
intend to file one or not?
We don't intend to file an affidavit in reply for law, because none of the paragraphs in the application have implicated IGP as a person. For him, we shall submit on points of law regarding matters pertaining the second respondent. And so I humbly pray that the prayer by my land friend is misplaced. We shall limit ourselves on matters of law as it pertains matters IDP, unless any other evidence is adduced in support of. If it is the evidence on this application, which is an affidavit of Honorable Chaplain, we shall submit on points of law. As regards the second applicant responding, we so humbly pray.
So according to you, this application does not affect the second respondent.
I've not come across any evidence by any paragraph in it that implicates the IDP as a person in this application. And we shall submit on points of law regarding the second respondent.
Can it have been agreed that you raised the same with the affidavit in reply?
Your Worship, Section 101 and 102 of the Evidence Act provides that who alleges must prove. So if they fail to prove in their affidavit, we can submit it as a point of law as regards the second respondent. That's what we intend to do.
In light of that, I am okay with him proceeding that way, without his client's evidence. And now, having been served in court with the 6 affidavits, pray for time to make rejoinders thereto. We are also praying for leave in accordance with Order 19 Rule 3 of the Civil Procedure Rules to have one Tobacco Juliet, Topacho Juliet, to be cross-examined on some matters which we feel need
Examination of who?
of the following: Topacho Juliet, Wesley Nganizi, Barasa Ogajo.
That's the third.
Yes, the third.
The fourth. Respondent.
Yes. Kato Arafat, 7. And George Mwonda Mutumba. We have some serious questions which we need them to clarify, and therefore pray for the earliest date possible, preferably with your permission, worship next week, considering the nature of the case. We feel we need them, and with your permission, we would have filed our rejoinders by Monday next week, which would be 24th. We pray therefore that you find pleasure in giving us a day next week. We so pray.
Your Honor, I have no motion to declare for counsel for the applicant. In the same vein, we move under the same rule, Order 19, Rule 3. And we pray that the deponent of the affidavit in support should appear for cross-examination on that date. As regards matters pertaining to affidavits, it's so. Secondly, Your Worship, we also have points of law raised as regards as pertains this application, and we shall be pleased to raise them on that day that shall avail us. We so humbly pray.
Your Worship, on cross-examination, for the applicant, we have no objection. On the points of law, we equally would have no objection, except the rules of pleading require that you indicate. So on that date, that you indicate your objection in issue, and we shall respond anyway.
Your Worship will also pray that if you consider that, you will consider morning, because we might have a long day given the need to cross-examine the departments.
Is convenient?
Yes, it is.
If you please, the Worship would consider 26.
Also for the respondents?
Your Worship will be pleased to take 26. We will be pleased to take 26.
Given that both counsel would like to cross-examine several deponents, this court hereby orders that the applicant, as well as compulsory jury, the third respondent, fourth respondent, sixth respondent, and seventh respondent attend court on the 26th of August at 9 a.m. for cross-examination and hearing of this application. This matter is according to adjourned 26th August and hearing at 9 a.m.
abatuwuliriza eyo paka nga 26 ssaawa 3 kanso kayitewo bali yashiyaringa koti bagendeteyo ngenda mu mwezi wa 26 zija kubeera ssaawa 3
bino kante
waliwo baganda baffe ababadde bakwatisibwa bali wano essaawa yo bagenda kubeera nga babaleeta mukoti principal agidde bakansula babere nga babagamba kulaba nti n'amateeka nago galamulwa abaana babere nga babalete temufuluma abaana bagenda kubeera nga baleetewo mukoti abantu bonna abawaabi balina okubeera nga balata nga baexamininga kusinzira wadiiro
Let's wait for these comrades to be brought here first. When it is done, then we meet outside. Huh? I'm available. Ono ye Elders wano. Mukulu wa Elders.
Namuwanda Kadusu Mushaina ono. Genda oyimirira bwa president. Era nemugamba nti totuyiwa beera mugumu. Sajja Museveni alina sente asobola okugula n'agamba taata nfukame olyoke omanye nti ndi serious. We thank you for being a very serious man.
Wajala. Amulero kodi Jesus.
Obwedda bali kuŋŋaana ne ŋŋamba ngende.
Wakoze bulungi. Wajala. No mukalije woni lumba saba wamanyi.
Aliifeba amasaba kuli nnyumawo. And the structures are there. Naye nze mwe mugenda nga Kampala bandeka yawanda kugwe tusu bandeke
ojja kujja ajja kujja
wano
arrête
ebisa magara
batande kumwera tano into bishiri
honorable number Shanda era yokwerinda abasirikale bafunuma n'abagongana basazeko amawafu bakyali bulungi kalise bonna abaliyo
Yeah,